Okay. We're on a mission to get those people looking at Martha's car. Shh, quiet.
Yeah, they're still there.
Let's just walk over there. Let's just walk past it. Do, 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 do.
Are you recording?
Hi, Katrina. Hi. Hi, hon. I mean.
Oh, honey.
Baby. Hi, Martha. You're ugly, and you're a wiener.
Fred the elephant.
Do, 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 do. That's a pretty nice car.
Yeah? I'm hiding my keys so they don't know.
Yeah. That's a really nice car. Hi, Bossmobile. This is Boss's car.
Oh, it's Katrina's package.
Bye.
Francis.
Bye, Jennifer. Bye, ugly.
Bye. Bye.
No, don't go near it.
Don't go near it.
You're ugly.
My guitar.
Yeah, let's go in the Bossmobile.
Fire shot.
No.
Bye.
You have to wait. Go, do it. Do, 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 do.
Okay. I'm going to go put my guitar inside.
With your flower tag on it.
Yeah.
Air
Oh,
freshener.
there's a flower tag? Oh,
Air freshener.
That's a nice flower tag.
The luggage tag.
No, it's not an air freshener. It smells like plastic. Unless you want your car to smell like plastic. Then that's pretty cool.
Hey, it stands. It's pretty boss.
Look at the steering wheel. It has Tinkerbell on it.
Pop in circumstance.
No. I still have that. We never turned in music. What the heck?
Yeah, we didn't.
We didn't. We had to. I was so sad. I had to go back.
Hey, look, I see you. Hi.
Ew.
I think.
My hair is messy.
I think I'll look at that cool little car over there.
Okay, let's go look at it. Let's touch it.
We're touching it.
Hey, Stephanie, look, I see you through the window.
Why are you looking at a random person's car?
This is not going to
You
work
can't
anymore.
ever leave.
Failed.
Heck no.
Do it, do it, do it.
Looks like a lime. Because lime green.
Do it, do it, do it.